Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Recooty, which is one hiring resource management tool. That means you can post here job listing, and the specialty of this tool is it will help you to create the job description in one click. I'll explore all the features in details after some time. And as you can see, they're saying that Recooty is the applicant tracking system that manages the whole hiring process, so you can find the best candidate for the job. So in one case it will help you to generate the job description in one click. Also it will help you to track the job applicants, and it's an alternative of Betterteams, SmartRecruiters and Workable. And as you can see, they are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and here you will get license tier 1 at 49 USD and license tier 3 is 199 USD. If you want API support and custom domain, then you have to get this license tier 3, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Recooty lifetime deal, guys. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Recooty and let's explore how things works here. See guys, this is the dashboard of Recooty, and from here you can see the bird's eye view of your account. Basically, I'm not exploring it right now. At first, see, they have job opening. So if I go to this section, then from here you will see all your published, internal, unpublished, and all other job openings basically. And if you want to add new job opening, just click here on this new section and then just click on this job opening, and then here you can add job opening. Now let's say you want one JavaScript developer. So if I just write here JavaScript developer, then it will suggest you, if you just click here, automatically the job responsibilities, job skills that need, and these things will be added here. Hope you get idea. And here one job code will be added also. You can change this job codes from here. Now see, these are the basic skills that need for a JavaScript developer. But if you think you need more skills, then you can add here more things. Hope you get idea, guys. I'm not adding more things here, and in this way it will help you to add the job description in one click. Hope you get idea. And then just click here next, and then here you can select the experience level you want. You can select the employment type, let's say full time, and department. You can add your department here. Just click here, add department. Let's say the department is software development. Any department you can add depending on your need, and see, this department will be added here. And now if I refresh the list from here, I can see this department. In your case, if you have multiple departments, all your departments will be shown here, and from here you have to select your department. And here screening question template, you can select the template. Now what this screen template is, I will show you from this setting. There have the screening template. Let me show you. See, here have the screening question. You can create your screening template from here. I have created temp 1 previously. I will explore this screening template after some time. From here you have to select your screening template basically, and then job industry, you can select your job industry from here. Then just click here next, and here you can select on which job boards you want to showcase it. See, these are the free job board and these are the premium job board. If you want to use their premium job board, then you have to get the lifetime deal from here. If you get the lifetime deal, then you will be able to use their premium job board also. But I'm using here free job boards only, and then just click here finish, and then it will be added. You can edit these options. You can unpublish it from here. You can move it to internal dashboard also. Now if I go to this job opening section, see, I have now total 2 job opening, and see this JavaScript developer, this one I have created right now. And here you can see the job boards where it has been submitted, and you can see the status pending approval. So it will take 36 hours, they are saying. And then from here you can see the landing page. So if I copy this one, and then if I open it in an incognito window, let's say I will open it here, and then let's see what it provides us. See, it will provide the job description, your company name, and the job title. It will provide the job skills, employment type, location, then experience required, date published. And if the person want to apply, just click here on this apply option, and then he have to insert the details from here basically. Hope you get idea. And see, here the things that you are seeing, these are basically screening template. I will explore this screening template after some time. Let's say you do not want to know the last education, you want to know the maybe last degree or last university or last college. So you can basically add as many field as you want in this screening option. I will explore these things after some time. Hope you get idea guys about this job opening section. And then they have the applications option, and from here you can see all the applicants basically. And see, in my dashboard I have one applicants already, so you can control your applicants from here also. Let me click here, and from here you will get all the details about this employee. See here, you can edit his profile, you can copy his URL, you can see his name, you can see this person's location, year of experience, then on which job he has been applied. You can see he has applied on this PHP developer job, and the application date, career, from where they have applied. You can see his contact details from here. Hope you get idea. And here you can add more details about him if you want. You can move it to another job, you can move it to talent pool, and you can delete these applicants. And here have the interview, you can schedule one interview with him. Let's say on this date I want to schedule one interview. Let's say on this time, video conferencing, and interviewer this person, and message. Let's say let's join the interview. And then you can notify candidate via email, and you can notify the interviewer via email also. Now if I schedule the interview, then it will be scheduled, I think. See guys, it has been scheduled successfully. So in this way you can schedule mm, meeting or interview with these applicants. And then they have timeline, you can see what happened with this person. See, on 14th February one interview has been scheduled, and on 13th February this person has applied for the job. And if you have any comment about this applicant, you can add comment. Let's say very good, and then just click here submit comment, and then this comment will be added here. As many comment as you want you can add, and then you can track the activity of these applicants from here. And if you want to send this person to talent pool, then just click here move talent pool, and then move, and he will be added to your talent pool section basically. Hope you get idea. And then they have different filter option: new, shortlisted, interview, offered, hired, rejected, talent pool. So from here you can basically filter your applicants. In my case I have only one applicants, but in your case definitely if you want to use it professionally, then you will get a lots of application here. So here you have to filter it according to different criteria, and here are the criterias. You can use these criterias to filter your applicants. Hope you get idea guys about this application section. Then they have interviews. Now from this interview section you can see the calendar view, on which date you have the interviews basically. In my calendar I have only one interview, as you can see this interview. And if you have multiple interview, all interviews will be shown here. And then they have reports, and from this report section you can see the reporting for all the jobs individually. Let's say for JavaScript developer I don't have any applicants, so if I click here on this apply, see I don't have any statistics. But for PHP developer I have one applicant, so if I select PHP developer, then maybe I will get here something. So I'm not getting, so if I select all openings, then see I'm getting here one statistics. In your case you will get here very detailed report. In my case, as the dashboard is very new, I'm not seeing as much detailed report basically. Then they have settings, and this setting option will give you a lot of control thing. See here you can set up your preference, you can set up your language, and here widget language, these languages are available here right now. And you can select your career page language, and then you can select your time zone, you can select your notification. Now what is this career page guys? Here see view career page. If I just click here on this career page, this is basically your career page, and here all your jobs will be listed. Hope you get idea guys. And then they have a job widget. You can embed this widget on your website from here. Just you have to select your widget type, what type of widget you want to use. And then here you can select the font size, you can change the background color, background highlighter, text color, everything you can change. And then you can just save it. And see here you can see the preview of your widget, and then you can just click here on this apply, and see here is the code. You have to just copy and paste this code on the back end of your website, and then this widget, as you can see here is the preview of the widget. This type of widget will be added on your website. You can add it on your WordPress site or any type of website. Basically, see, embed jobs on website and WordPress plugin. And then they have career page. As you can see, this is our career page. If you want to change anything on this career page, let's say you want to change the company name, you want to change the website, you want to change the career page title, you want to change the career profile. Let's say you want to write here something. Let me write here some dummy text, guys. Let's say I'll take this text here, and then I'll just paste it here. And here you can add company email, telephone, etc. You can add company logo, cover picture. Let's say I will add something here. So I have added here one logo and cover picture, and then you can change your colors depending on your brand color, basically. And then if everything okay, just click here on this save option. It will be saved. And then now if I go to the career page, and then if I reload it, then you will see the difference. See, now this is our career page. So it's not looks very professional, but in your case you have to add here very professional background image. You have to add here your logo, and then you have to add your about us section. So in this way you can customize your career page basically from here. And similarly, they have more functionalities. They have API. You can get their API access from here. You can add different locations from here. You can add different departments from here. You can add your billing information from here. And then they have integration. They have Slack integration and LinkedIn integration right now. And then see, they have users. You can add your team members basically here, and then you can give them access. And then they have screening questions. So these things I want to explore. See, here I have created one template, temp one. So if I select temp one, then see, this is basically, this is the question that I have added. Now let's say you want to edit it. You can edit it. See here, last education, this field will be added here. Now let's say you want to add another question. Just click here, add question, and then let's say last university. Let's say this is my another question, and you can make the question type different type. See, text type, drop down type, text area type. Let's say I'll select a text type, and I will make it as required, and then just click here add. And then see, this last university has been added here also. So in this way you can create different template, and then you can use these templates on your job posting basically. In my case I have only one template, but in your case, if you want, you can add here multiple template. See, just click here create new template, and then you will be able to add a new template basically here. Hope you get idea. And then they have bulk import. So you can import applicants in bulk way here. They have email templates. So here you can set up what type of email you want to send them. For rejection email, interview notification email, then thank you email. So you can view these things, you can edit these things from here. See, you can customize these emails from here if you want, and then your email templates will be set up. And then the last option is activity logs. So you can see your activities from here. This is the whole idea, guys, on this Recooty tool. That tool is very straightforward, and there have all the functionalities that you need to manage your hiring process, I think. So if you think as you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Recooty lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Recooty lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Recooty lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.